Let's talk about widgets. Applications that are embedded in the body of your website are called widgets. These applications can enhance the usage of your website and allow your customers to interact and shop better on your store. To add widget, just navigate to your Customize Website section, the one which you are currently seeing on my desktop. From here, click on Widgets and you will see a list of all widgets that you can integrate on your website. Now let's add WhatsApp. When it comes to mobile, WhatsApp is the most popular app used worldwide. To integrate WhatsApp, all you have to do is enter your country code, enter your mobile number. Next, you can choose where you want to place the widget icon. So for now, I will select bottom right, and once done, click on apply. So now you see this icon has appeared over here, and if you go to a customized website, you will see that this widget is activated. Now if any customer sends a message via WhatsApp, then you will get a notification over here, clicking on which you can chat to a customer directly. To chat, you need to activate WhatsApp Web. The steps are very easy. Just click on this message and follow these steps over here. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu, and you will get WhatsApp Web. Just scan this code and you're done. That was all about how you add WhatsApp on your website. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, comment below or contact our support team directly. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.